Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the monthly layout in my catch-all planner. This is the Archetype 18-month planner from Happy Planner. I said planner a lot in that sentence. Yes, I did. And today, sorry, that threw me off. It's just like you're saying a word a lot. Anyway, I am going to use what I have left of the lemon drop kit from Coffee Planner Mom. And she actually has this in two versions. This is lemon drop, and then she has a pink lemonade. So this one does have like some references to alcohol in it. If that's not your jam, would totally understand. I just liked this because I love yellow and blue together. It's like a really fun combination. It's one of my favorite combos. So that's why I went with this kit. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can, it's gonna bother me that it's back, because it's upside down anyway, so it doesn't matter, but I'm actually gonna use these guys up here, because why not? August is a busy month. It is back to school for me, and right now I will say, I am definitely in the I don't want to go back to school mode. And I'll be fine. I always tell my husband, I'm like, you know, I do this every year, so let me just have my little bit of a pity party. And you know what we might do? We might white out August and put her August script there instead. We'll see though. I'm not promising that one. Because I am filming on August 1st. I'm actually filming way later than I normally do. But sometimes that's just how life goes. So yes, it's back to school month. I have a lot of like appointments. Some of them are in that first week because we need to get them done before school starts. And all that fun stuff. So I thought this was a way for it to be like summery without being like in your face summery. I don't know if that makes sense. And also that whole like some people would say it's kind of lemony that school is back in session, but I think it'll be fine. All right, I feel like I need to plan first, kind of like what I did in my teacher. I don't know which one's coming out first, this video or the teacher plan with me video, but in that one I did all of my like actual plans first, and then I went deco crazy. So I think we're gonna do that as well. First thing we have is appointment. Looking at my sticky notes to make sure I got those. So appointment. Fun get together. Let's do, this is back to school night, and I think I still have an extra one of those in her scripts. I do. I think it'll work, but it goes a little over. And then next to it, I think we'll put just a fun yellow, big and yellow. First day with students. I'll put a little one there for, this is my actual first teacher day. Oh, I've got chiropractor. That's always good. Always. Chiropractor. Dad's allergy shot. I can't remember if it's the 20th or the 27th, so we'll wait to do that one. I don't have to, I'm not in charge of that one, but I do like to know when it's happening. So yeah, that is all of the plans. Now, a lot of you have noticed that when I have these big blocks down here, I like to white them out. I don't remember, and this is a Uniball Signo. I think I got it from Michael's. I originally got one for my wedding sign-in poster because it was a tree and the leaves were the colors, like our wedding colors, so yellow and blue and gray, and the blue was really dark, so you needed like a white pen for people to write on it. You could use your whiteout tape too, like that would also work, but sometimes I like just doing that. And I'm trying to decide, do I want to use boxes down here? Let's see what all deco and things we have. This I'm going to use in my recipe planner, so I'm not worried about that one. And the weekend sticker I'll use somewhere else. Do I want I like easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, it's such a hard decision. Someone out there in the universe is telling me to cut the boxes apart. But before I do that, hang on. Let's double check something. Before I do that. It's not really blue. Oh, I'm so sorry. That kind of ran into the... Do you have some blues? Oh, wait a minute. And what? Holly, this is what you get for not cleaning up your planner space. Got these guys. Use those. And then these blues for the quotes. Let's see what we can do. This is from one of her summer kits from last year. So we got these colors. What if we like ombre them? What if? All right, first things first, let's we're gonna move some stuff around. So I may cut this part out and then come back at you. Snazzy. I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, that was a little trickier than I expected, but we got it done. So now, the next thing I want to do is I want to take the Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy script. We're going to cut that apart too. We're going to put Easy Peasy right there. And the lemon squeezy right there. Yes! Okay, I know, I'm silly and ridiculous. It's fine. I'm fine. It's all good. Next, I think we are gonna do the sidebar, and you might as well do, let's see. So this is all of these have like items in them, and this one's like a pattern. It's not just like a pattern, it is a pattern. I could cut the Monday through Friday off here and turn that into a box. Maybe. But that doesn't save the problem. I was looking for another pattern box. Cool it, Holly. Cool it. All right, let's double check to make sure I don't have any that are hiding that could be useful. Well, these two have stripes and these two don't. I think we're gonna go that direction with it. So we're gonna start up top. And then this one. And let's put squeeze the day. Do we want a box to make it pop like the green guy? Or we can use maybe this. Or is that too many lemons? I think that's too many lemons. I know they're not quite straight. It's okay though. It doesn't have to be full on straight. And then I think with the deco-iness of things, let's make sure I've got all of those. I don't have a ton left, and I would like to use some on the rest. So maybe I wait and I use some of these decos and boxes when I make my little recipe card for her lemon drop martini recipe she's got on there. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this spread. Ooh, we kind of moved. I'm sorry. I apologize. I didn't look up because I was like in the zone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you all in the next one.